Hello everyone. Today we are going to solve LeetCode problem number 199, binary tree right side view. Let's read out the problem. Given the root of a binary tree, imagine yourself standing on right side of it. Return the values of the nodes you can see ordered from top to bottom. Okay, we have to print the right side view of a given binary tree. Okay, so let's think. One thing we can do is that we can perform BFS and we can select the last element which we will get in that. So, for example, if we are performing BFS, first we will get 1, then we will get 2 and 3 and 5 and 4 on each level. So, we will take the last element which will give us we will take last element of each level which will give us our desired answer. Okay, so let's code it. I will need a vector which will have my answer, a queue of tree node for performing BFS, and I will put my root in that, and I will run until it is not empty. And I will take a variable, let's say n equals to q dot size, which will give me the current size of q. So after this, I will run my loop while n minus minus if I will take my front equals to q dot front, and I will pop it, pop, and if f dot left not equals to null, then I will push. Also, if f right not equals to null, then also we will push. And if n is my 0, then I will push in answer, answer dot pushback. The value of f. So, and we will return our answer. Also, one more thing. Let's run it. Okay, my mistake. It is right. Okay, we forgot to handle this case. If root equal null, return answer. Okay, let's submit it. Okay, it got accepted. Let's analyze the time complexity. So we are performing the BFS. So the time complexity should be equal to the time complexity of BFS. That is O of V plus E. So the time complexity is V plus E. That's all, everyone. Thank you.